Hello, today at Bob's Watches we are introducing a pre-owned Rolex Yacht-Master 116655. This watch contains a random serial number that was produced around 2015 or later. The characteristics of this watch include an Oysterflex rubber strap with an 18-karat Everose gold Oysterlock clasp. The dial is black with Everose gold trimmed luminous hour markers and hands with white minute markers around the outer rim. This watch contains a quickset function, a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, a waterproof screw-down crown, and is water-resistant down to 100 meters with a 48-hour power reserve. The case is 40mm 18-karat Everose gold with a black ceramic bezel. This watch has an automatic 3135 movement. This Yacht-Master comes with a Rolex box, booklets, and a warranty card dated August 2017. As all watches we sell, this watch comes with a 3-day satisfaction guarantee and a 1-year warranty. You can purchase this watch by clicking the box in this video or by searching for Bob's Watches 116655 in Google. Thank you.